Good morning, children. Welcome back to our maths class. We are in chapter 2, that is polynomials and factorization. Exercise 2.5. Page number 55, children. On page number 55, we have example 27. Okay, it is 27, children. 27. Okay. Give possible values for length and breadth of the rectangle whose area is, they have given the area of rectangle, they have given 2x square plus 9x minus 5. We have to find length and breadth. Okay, now first, what is area of rectangle? It is nothing but L into B, which is equals to 2x square plus 9x minus 5. See here, when they have given square and the power 1 and a constant number, we have to do factorization. Okay, children. So, you know already how to do factorization. Again, we are going to learn in this. First, we need to multiply first and last term. That is 2 into minus 5. We'll get minus 10. Now, remove the factors of minus 10. 1 tens are, 2 fives are. When we multiply, we should get 9. Okay. Now, next, 10 ones are 10. Sorry, 5 twos are 10 all, right? 5 twos are 10. Now, when we add or subtract, what answer we should get? Plus 9. Okay, but when we multiply it, we should get minus 10. Okay, so 1 into 10. So, I can write minus 1 plus 10 equals to 9. Minus 1 into 10. What will get? Minus 10. Okay, and minus 1 plus 10 will get us 9. Okay, when we multiply, we should get this answer. When we multiply, we should get minus 10. When we add or subtract, we should get the middle number 9. Okay, now I can write 2x square minus 1x plus 10x minus 5. Okay, this is rough column. Okay, rough column. Now L into B is equals to, what is common from this 2? Obviously x, right? Now what is left over? 2x minus 1. From this 2, what is common, children? Common is 5, because we can write 5 twos are 10 in place of 10. Okay, in place of 10 we can write 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Now 5 I can remove common. What is left over? 2x minus 5 we have removed, so 1 is left over. L into B is equals to, from this all what is common? 2x minus 1 is common. So what is left over? X plus 5. So length is equals to x plus 5. Sorry, length is equals to 2x minus 1. Breadth is equals to what, children? X plus 5. You can write any of the numbers. Now how can we find L value? We can keep equal. 2x minus 1 equals to 0. That is x is equals to minus 1 if we send that side, plus 1. 2x is equals to plus 1. X is equals to 1 by 2. Here what we'll get? Breadth x plus 5 equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 5. Okay, that's it. Now next, moving to our next question. See here, children, our next question is, do this. It is on the same page number 55. Do these second bit. Okay, so I have copied the question, children. Here what is the question? 27a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube minus 18abc. Now first we need to convert, it is a cube, so we need to convert 27 also in cubes. Okay, so how can I write? See here, children, 27. So we have to do what? Prime factorization. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So in place of 27 I can write 3 cube, children. We have to convert this full into cubes. Okay, so I can write 3a whole cube. Okay, now plus b cube as it is, plus for 8 how can I write? Again we should do prime factorization. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So I can write 2c whole cube. Okay, now the last one minus, see here 18a b c, I'll write as it is. Now this one is in which formula, children? See, first 3 are in cubes, then we have a b c. First we have 2 pluses and 1 minus. So first we will see 3 cubes. Okay, where are 3 cubes? So in this formulas we have only in 2 formulas. Here 3 cubes, here 3 cubes. Okay, but they are saying minus 3x, see here, minus 18abc as well. So we can take this formula, that is 8th identity. Okay children, so x cube plus y cube. So x cube is what? X is nothing but 3a. This is x cube. Y is what? This is y. Okay, y is equals to b. And what is z, children? Z is nothing but 2c. Now simply we have to substitute in this formula. See here, x plus y plus z. X is what? 3a plus y is what? b plus z is what? 2c. We should not add these all because we have different variables. Okay now children. Now x square means 3a whole square plus y square is nothing but b square. Z square is nothing but 2c whole square. Why we should write whole square? Because square belongs to 2 as well as c. Okay, minus x into y. X is what? 3a into y is what? B. I'll underline because we have to multiply these both. Then minus y is what? B into z is what? 2c. I need to underline it. Then minus zx. Z is what? 2c into x is what? 3a. Again I'll be underlining it. Okay, now this one as it is, 3a plus b plus 2c. Now 3a whole square means what? 9a square plus b square as it is plus 2c whole square means what, children? First we need to multiply 2. 2 2s will be 4. C into c will be c square minus 3ab minus 2bc. 2bc minus 2 3s are 6. C into a will be ac or ca. That's it. Now moving to our next question, children. Now moving to our next question, children, exercise 2.5. Okay, in exercise 2.5, sixth bit. Okay, now what is the question, children? If a plus b plus c is equals to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 26, then find a square plus b square plus c square. First we will be writing given part given. First we will be taking only this one. A plus b plus c is equals to 9. Now we have to find a square plus b square plus c square. So what? Here we have squares, children. So what we'll do? Squaring on both sides. Because they have given this value and they are asking in squares. Answer they are asking in squares. So what we should do? Squaring on both sides. So this is LHS and this is RHS because equals to is dividing. Equal to is dividing this as LHS and this as RHS, children. Okay now. Now a plus b plus c whole square, as it is squaring, so we have to write whole square is equals to 9 square. Now which identity, children? This one. See here we have 3 variables and whole square, so we have only one identity, that is identity phi. So we will be writing the formula here. X plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, now see here, children. Here what is x? X is nothing but a. What is y? Y is nothing but b. and z is what? C. In place of x, y, z we are going to write a, b, c. So x square means a square plus y square is nothing but b square plus c square plus 2xy 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, in place of x, y, y, z we have to write these alphabets a, b, c. Okay, now is equals to, now 9 square is nothing but 81. See here, this one is in formula. So in this place we are going to write this complete formula, then is equals to 9 square is nothing but 81. I have written. Okay, now a square plus b square plus c square plus, from this all three what is common, children? 2 is common. So I will be writing ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 81. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab plus bc plus ca is what, children? It is 26. So in brackets we are going to write 26 is equals to 81, since from question. Okay, what is from question? That is ab plus bc plus ca. In place of this we can write 26. So we have written 26. Now a square b square c square as it is. Now 2 into 26 will be what, children? 52 is equals to 81. Now send this 52 to that side. A square plus b square plus c square is equals to 81 minus 52. A square plus b square plus c square is equals to 81 minus 52. It will give us what, children? 29. Okay, that's it. Now find a square plus b square plus c square. What is the value of a square plus b square plus c square? That is 29. That's it. Now moving to our ninth question. First I'll be copying the question, children. Moving to our next question, children, that is ninth bit second sum. Ninth bit second sum, children. It is also on page number 57. Okay. Now they are asking verify. They are saying verify. That means what is LHS, children? LHS is x cube minus y cube. What is RHS? RHS is nothing but, as is equals to is dividing LHS and RHS. This is LHS and this is RHS. So x minus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Sorry, it is plus. Okay. Now see here, we have to solve RHS and the answer should be LHS, children. Okay, that is nothing but verifying. In verification we should get LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, now so we'll be multiplying it. As you all know how to multiply binomial into trinomial. First x into x square. X into x square will give you x cube. 1x and here 2x's are there. So it will be x cube. Then x into xy, that is plus x square y. Here 1x, here 1x. So it will become x square y. Then x into y square. So plus x y square as it is. Now the difference will be here, children, because it is minus. So be careful with that. Minus y into x square will give you what? Minus y x square. Then minus y into xy will give you what? Minus x. Y, how many are there? 2. So y square. Then minus y into y square, minus y cube. Here we have 1y and here 2y. So that will give you y cube. You already know how to do multiplication for binomial into trinomial. Okay, now x cube as it is, x square y, as it is minus and 1 is plus. So it will be cancelled. See, x square y and y x square, both are same, children. See here, x square y, x square y. So it is same. Okay. Now xy square minus xy square will be cancelled off. What we are left over with? X cube minus y cube. Is both same, children? Yes, it is same. So we can write therefore LHS equals to RHS. That's it. Verification has been done. Okay. Next, last question, children. Here, children, ninth bit, first and second sums, these two are formulas, children. Okay. For this formulas only, just now we have derived. Just now we have derived this sum, no, children. See here. This sum is nothing but formula, children. This is formula. Okay. Now, in 10th bit, they are saying factorize 27a cube plus 64b cube using the above results. That is nothing but this first one formula is this one, children, and the second one formula will be this one. Okay, this is second formula, 9th bit second formula, and this is 9th bit first formula, children. Okay, now I'll be showing this second bit, 10th bit second sum, sorry. Okay, now 343 y cube minus 1000. First we need to convert this 343 into cube. Okay, so 343. Now this will go in which table, children? 7 table. 7 4s are 28. We are left over with 6. 7 9s are 63. Then 7 7s are 49. Then 7 1s are 7. So I can write 7y whole cube minus, for 1000 how can I write? 10 cube. Okay, for 1000 how can I write? 10 cube. Now, what is our identity? Our identity is x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So, what is x here? X is nothing but 7y. What is y? Y is nothing but 10. Okay. Now, you have to substitute in this formula and you have to send this as assignment as well, children. Okay. Now, only this 10th bit also you have to send as assignment. Okay. This next you have to continue. This 7y and 10 you have to substitute in this formula. Okay. Now, thank you, children. Hope you all have understood today's sums. Yes. Thank you, children. Have a good day.